What's boppin' Jimbos? Welcome back to Chanel store. We have the Golf here. Our goal is to install some more Forge parts. Got a catch can. The last video you saw, we put the turbo in and stuff. So we're still having problems dialing in the tune. Went back to stock plugs and coils and that didn't help. So throwing these back in. Someone told me that he blew his out, but like all of these have great reviews and I didn't have a problem with them. And they look dope. So I'm gonna throw them in. Don't hate me, MK7 Brandon. But we're gonna do that real quick and then that should be real quick too. Real quick too. God, they look so much better. Hopefully don't blow. If they blow, you know what? You can at me, MK7 Brandon. Say whatever you want, bro. I'm gonna put all this shit away and then we're gonna unbox that puppy. Let's see what we got in this old box. So I think you go like that and you put the beer right there, right? There's two different ones.
Oh,
what's going on?
Double funnel, baby.
Okay, so obviously we have the instructions here. Take a look at that in a second. But this is the heart and soul right here. Look at that. So we got the Forge. Oh, don't do it yet. This is the Forge catch can. Right here is where you drain it.
Just be like, dude, I'm trying to.
This is the only line with this 90 here. This goes into the line that goes into the intake. So we're gonna put this side right here. And then this goes in like so. And these are super easy to disconnect as well, but we're just putting it in right now so we can see where we want it. I kind of don't want it to block the turbo. Since I don't have an engine cover, I can kind of put it over the engine. The instructions are a little complicated. It shows like a different style catch can. And like, look, this is a windshield washer reservoir. I don't have that. I have these are little ass Allens. Have you ever messed with Allens this small on a car at least? So the way it's supposed to go is like that. I'm gonna try to, yeah. Oh, that's gonna look sick. It's just gonna like kind of go over my cold packs, you know? These are easy to take off, so I'm just gonna take them off real quick. So I'm just gonna leave that there for now. This is gonna be the hardest part, taking this shit off. Just gonna try to like pick it this way. It's not doing anything.
So the goal here is to get this shit.
Someone's not gonna swing Jimmy.
Have you asked it nicely?
Just come off, please. What we could do, take the elbow all the way off. In an install video of the elbow, ECS, literally, it was two guys at one end just fucking yanking it from each other. Fuck, boys, might have to take this whole intake off. Alright, so we're resorting to taking that intake off, but we've done it literally a trillion times, so it's gonna take us 2 minutes. And so is the intake.
Oh. Totally missed the whole thing, but it's alright.
No. That's all. Sponsor me, Forge. I got all your parts. Not because like I want to sponsor you. I just like them, you know. I don't know, bro. We might have to take the whole thing off. So we're just gonna, I guess, take everything off here. A dream. Not gonna drop any bolts in the engine bay this time. Just like so. Okay.
It's kind of crazy to me to see like he's literally taking apart like some of his car right now. So close.
Can you hold it? Hold it really tight. Woo! We break it or no? Yep. We're good. We just gotta get this thing out.
Jesus Christ.
Well, we just split this shit. It's alright, because it was like bound to happen anyways. I'm actually happy to go get a new one. But we're just gonna have to continue day 2, because B-Dub's closed. Alright, we're back some hour later. We have some provisions or whatever. My homie, not RS4, said, fuck it, just tape it. So that's what we did. Now we're gonna have to figure out how to get this off.
I want to break this. Look, it's coming like undone.
Oh, dude. Let's just try, you know?
Ready?
Yeah.
Should I pull it off?
Sure, try. No, it's moving. Oh, no, yeah, that's definitely gonna break off. We gotta get this off anyways. So this is gonna tell if we keep it with the tape or not. If we break it, I don't care. Yank it? Yeah, just yank it, dude.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Yep.
We're getting a new one. This shit is disgusting, bro. It's actually kind of gross how it won't come off. All right, we finally got it off. Did take a little. I said we, but it was all him. 100%. We did scratch it up a little bit. It should be good though. We're gonna go get a new one of these. Easiest job a catch cannon. It happens. It happens.
4 to 6 more days later.
We're back. What was it? Today's Thursday. We ended on Sunday. $80 in how many days later? Grab these. If you didn't watch the turbo elbow install, make sure you watch that. I'm gonna bolt the new line in right here and then see from, yeah, where we go from there. If I remember correctly, this one is in, so it connects to the new line we just put. We're gonna have to find like a good spot for it, but I'm gonna start by, oh yeah, you can hold that, thank you, sir. Oh, there's a little grommet in there too, that's nice. Oh, that's not bad. So I wanna snake it over this way onto my engine because honestly, I don't want to block the turbo blanket. That'd be unfortunate, you know? So I think we're gonna have this one go here, which is perfect for that. Oh, the intake has to go right there though. I'll probably just do that. How about that? I don't know if this looks cool or it's like spaghetti. I think it looks cool. It's like the biggest line here. So that one's good, dude. Nice work. And then that one just goes, oh, you wanna bend it a little.
All right.
Should we do it under that coolant line?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
We'll block that ugly coolant line to the turbo. Hell yeah, brother. All right. Just like that. I just clipped it in. Do you think it's gonna make it? Look at all the, nobody's cash can don't look like this. It goes around the Colfax so you can see him.
Oh yeah.
And then it dodges the turbo. So I'm gonna get,
Tighten this down too.
yeah, that's a 5 mil. This is like a 3 mil, and I'm gonna go to the 4 mil for the intake as well. So perfect. Cool. Yep, that's good. All right, we're gonna throw the intake on real quick. Alrighty. Catch can has been assembled. So we're gonna start her, drive her around, see if she's all good, but that's been it for this one. Next video of the Golf, you'll see, hopefully, no more EPC codes. We're getting top end. We'll see, maybe it's the tune, maybe it's that. Catch you later. Jake Gyllenhaal. Welcome back. This is me from the future. Technically, this is the present, but also technically this is the past because you're gonna see this later. We got the Golf. So you see, we're living the AGNB lifestyle. No brakes, but this is a little update on this bad boy. So I had to change the routing of the catch can lines because we went to a Cars and Coffee, and leaving it, I lost all oil pressure, didn't know what was going on, popped the hood. This little man was sticking out because of this, so I flipped this line over this and now like pushes it in. As for the tune, you saw we changed these a bunch. I even redid my fuel pump a couple times, redid the blow-off valve, and turns out we think we're pushing too much power for the transmission. So I have a Tiptronic transmission, it's not the DSG, and it's super unresponsive, super laggy with the power, and I only get like EPC codes when I'm really slamming it and when it's having trouble. So our goal is to go ahead and manual swap it, hopefully. You know, we'll see what happens, but that'd be sick. I'm gonna steal his transmission. There's one day I'm gonna take your limited
so
slip.
Have a trans.
Yeah. Oh, stop.
You'll.
I'm just gonna rip her around, you know, not too crazy. We'll see where we go from there. But that's how it looks now. This thing runs good. My transmission does not like me. If you want to see some more stuff, watch some more stuff. Hopefully you keep watching the videos and keep subscribing. I'll get a trans. Next videos, we're gonna have a video out on these, a video out on my skirts, and if I show you here, woo! Big stuff coming. Thanks for watching. Peace. One last thing. See this sick Euro tuning air freshener? I got a new one, so I got 2 of these. Would have got the turbo, so I put one on, and I said I'd put another on. The new turbo's on, so bust open this. Oh man, that smells so good. Holy shit, it's gonna be a fucking bomb next time I come in here. But look at that. Listeners suck. All right, buddies. Actually, the last one thing time. We'll come back with a full ride video, so stay tuned for that.